What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony. Once again here at the Rental Garage. We've got more parts for our RZR 1000. If you guys didn't watch my last install video on this thing, I threw in the quick click front poly windshield. But before I dive into today's product, hey, don't forget, hit that subscribe button down below if you like this content. Give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you got questions, or if you just want to talk about the Polaris build or anything else. I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Let's dive into the product we're talking about today. So we have another, obviously, RZR part. This is 2881614, and it is the rear window. So the reason, obviously, just like I said, for the front window is I want protection for the family and everybody that rides with. So we got the front windshield in. Now I'm going to throw in the rear windshield. The front windshield is super simple, so we're going to see how difficult this is as far as install goes. So opening the box up. Again, I'll put this product and other rear window products down below. So if you want to equip your RZR with one, make sure to check those links. Now this one actually looks like it has hardware. Yes, it does. So let's go ahead and use this. It's kind of different because I was under the impression it was going to be just like the front, where it came with the mounts and everything in it, but I am wrong. Holy cow, so this thing has actually all kinds of parts and pieces here. Alright, so it does have those clamps just like the other one. In fact, this is what it looks like right here. So it is two pieces, a front and a lower. And that's it. So let's look and see what it says here. So I'm assuming and hope that this is the correct piece. So it looks like this hooks to the rear bar. I guess we'll have to find out. First, I gotta install all of these clamps. So let me put that down. These clamps. You have a bunch of these little guys right here. See if the camera will focus. Got a bunch of these in the kit. You got some rubber mounts, and then you've got this seal that is for the lower. So let's see what we've got going on here. We'll see, at least the seal kind of bites into that, this, so that's kind of nice. So you know you're getting a decent seal. Not that this is airtight or watertight necessarily, but it's still fairly nice, especially because it's not some kind of cheap. Alright, so the seal is on. Let me show you guys that real quick. Obviously this thing collects everything, so you put the seals in these divots or in these inserts or cuts. Then it says snap retaining clips into upper panel. These are some serious clips. So essentially, there's, if you can see that little dimple or clip mount in there. You're going to clip these in all these holes. It's just a 5/8 socket. Pretty simple because it is, the nut is seated, or the mount has it kind of seated, so you don't have to, you really don't have to do much other than just unscrew it. And there it is. I'm gonna pull it out real quick. Put it back on it. Ease it down. So again, that's 5/8. Take the belt tops off here before you launch into the install. And then I'm gonna, again, tighten it back to that. We'll put this down. Let me grab this. Kind of prop it up here. So if you look at this cutout, it does have a cutout for it, so there's no way I was going to get around that mount. Now these things are going to be pretty hard pressed to get on. Obviously, I'm going to have to do the uppers. So that's pretty much what it is. So I'm going to run to the other side real quick, do the uppers. So I'm going to put this thing back together. Move the camera back. I'm going to throw the seats back in, mount this stuff up, and then let's take a look at it, shall we? All right, guys, so that wraps up the rear windshield or back windshield or whatever you want to call it on the Polaris RZR. I do have to fix some of the seals, do a little bit of cleanup on it, but that is it. So it's a little bit more involved than I would have thought it was. Nothing crazy, just time consuming. Definitely a nice option because now I should have a little bit more protection so when the air comes over the windshield, it doesn't blow right back in the dust and everything. So hopefully that'll alleviate most of that. And then of course it does, as you can see here, go down below. I did wish there was some way to clamp that down, so hopefully that's not wobbling too much, but there are bumper stoppers that we installed down there as well. That pretty much wraps this video up. Again, we've got a lot of stuff planned for the good old Polaris and a lot of other projects going on here at the Wrenched Out Garage. So please hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment if you have questions. I'll have links to this and other products down below that are related. And if you guys are out riding, driving, do it safely, and I'll see you in the next video.